the same story every year. Amid the festive season, the air quality index slips to very poor category and the Yamuna River is covered in toxic froth. A blame game has begun in the city between the AAP-led government and the opposition BJP. The BJP is also planning to hold a mega protest ahead of the Chhath Puja. We have Niyamika joining us in the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, war of words continue. The blame game continues every single year, but the situation on ground does not change.
Well, indeed, we see the same kind of pattern being followed every year during the time which is nearby Diwali, that the air quality index gets worsened and the blame game begins between the Delhi government and the central government, and that is what is happening this time as well. It is not just about the froth which can be clearly seen in the Yamuna water, but also the air pollution is also arising in the national capital. You can see behind me, this is basically, we are standing at the Kartavya Path area, and you can see behind me that this is a situation there. We are not being able to see even the north block and the south block, which is just behind me at the Raisina Hills. It is only because of the smog which is being engulfed in the air of the national capital. As I would also like to mention here that as per the data which has been given at the Sameer app of the Central Pollution Control Board, we can see clearly that the air quality index is in a very poor category, and it is very close to the severe category. It is also being predicted that the manner in which the air quality index is deteriorating, it might be possible that in the next week we can also touch the severe category of the air quality index. On the other side, we have also seen that how the froth can be clearly seen at the surface of the Yamuna Ghats, as it is we are very close to the Chhath Puja event, and for that reason we are also seeing that how the BJP is also attacking the Aam Aadmi Party government for not being able to clean the Yamuna water as it was being predicted and also being promised by the Aam Aadmi Party at that point of time when the elections were going on. They had also mentioned it clearly that the major focus of the Aam Aadmi Party government is to make sure that the Yamuna water gets clean. But even after that, we have seen that every year the same kind of pattern is being followed, and for that reason the BJP is also going to hold a protest regarding this entire issue, because the BJP is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party government has completely failed to control this entire situation. Yesterday also the Supreme Court of India had also attacked the central government regarding this entire matter, as the Supreme Court of India has also mentioned that the Environment Protection Act has become basically toothless because the central government is also not being able to control and curb the stubble burning cases which have been reported at various locations, whether it is Punjab, Haryana or Uttar Pradesh. However, we have also seen that how Aam Aadmi Party is basically blaming Haryana and Uttar Pradesh because they are saying that the manner in which stubble burning cases have been reported at the border areas of the national capital, it is also contributing to the air pollution which is being there in the national capital. But on the other side, this time the Aam Aadmi Party government is not blaming Punjab.
Particulate matter in the air is increasing and the air quality is deteriorating. Niyamika, stay on with us. We're playing out visuals from various areas and regions as far as the national capital region is concerned, and you can see a thick blanket of smog. This is not fog, this is smoke plus fog. This is pollution that has engulfed the national capital region. Niyamika, but what is happening on ground? Now, there are talks of sprinklers being used. There are talks of parali burning being reduced in Punjab. AAP blames the BJP government, says BJP has no control over parali burning or stubble burning in Haryana, and that this is all being done deliberately.
Well, indeed, and I would first like to show you that this is the data which is being given by the Central Pollution Control Board, as this is a situation in the national capital. You can see that the air quality index is in the very poor category. I would also like to mention here that it is in Alipur, there is a 339 AQI. In Anand Vihar, it has reached to 390, Ashok Vihar 351, in Dwarka it is 343. So the air quality is deteriorating day by day. It has already reached to the very poor category, and it is being predicted that it might be possible that in the next week the air quality index can also touch to the severe category. And for that reason, we have seen that how a blame game has already been started. Aam Aadmi Party is blaming the BJP governments in the state of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for this entire issue. On the other side, the BJP is saying that the Delhi government has completely failed to curb the air pollution in the national capital. But who is basically responsible is still a question, because it is the common man who is suffering due to this air pollution. which is continuously raising in the national capital. Every year we see the same kind of pattern being followed. I would also like to show you the visuals here that you can see behind me. This is a complete smog which is being engulfed in the air of the national capital. However, today we can say that the winds are in a favorable condition. There we can expect that it might be possible that the air quality index may get better in the next few hours, because the winds are
either the wind's direction, or you have to rely and hope that it rains so that the dust settles, the particulate matter in the air settles down, because nothing else seems to be working. The governments keep claiming, the political parties keep claiming, and the Supreme Court also every year taking note of this pulls up the governments and the authorities and the administrations. But on ground, the situation remains the same, unfortunately, Niamika.
Well, yes, as on one hand, we have seen that how GRAP 2 has already been implemented, but the politics which is also continuing regarding this entire issue, as no one is being able to take the responsibility of the deteriorating air quality situation in the national capital. It is basically the common man which is suffering, as they have to breathe into this toxic air every year during this period of time. As we have seen that it is basically the Aam Aadmi Party which is blaming BJP because of the stubble burning cases in the Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. On the other side, BJP is saying that why this time no question has been raised for Punjab, only because it is the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes, all that we see right now is blame game, and the common man continues to suffer. Niamika, thank you for getting us the updates. We're moving on.